This is Deb, and I'm at my house. We just heard the tornado siren going off. It is now not on, but I think we're going to make it. I'm here in Newburgh. They were calling for a tornado warning. Thankfully, nothing's happened to my house. As you can see, everything's still standing. Trees. Porch swing still here. Didn't have to go to the basement. Hopefully I won't have to, and hopefully everybody's safe. It's the 6 o'clock hour. Again, we heard the tornado siren, and I don't hear it anymore. I think we're going to be okay. Keep fingers crossed.